Hey everyone, if you ever download games from third-party website like I did, there's a high chance your PC is already infected with Trojan virus or malware. But don't panic, today I will show you how to completely remove them in just minutes. So let's get started. In step 1, install malware bytes from official websites. You have to go to Chrome or any other web browser, search for malware bytes. Now go to this website, say download and download for your PC, Windows, Mac or any other PC. I'm sure you are using Windows, so download from here. After download, you have to install this software in your PC. Just go to file manager or directly from Chrome. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install this again. After installation, open the software as an admin, and now you will see like this and click on scan. Wait for the scanning, and after scanning you will see detections like 5-6 files right here on detection. I have already done this, so I'm not going to see any detection right here. After detection, just you will show a pop-up to quarantine those files which is Trojan virus. Just quarantine them. After clicking quarantine, you have to go right here, detection history, quarantine items, and you will see a lot of files right here, 5-6 files like name, Trojan virus, etc. You have to click select all and delete all files permanently, so your virus or Trojan virus will be deleted permanently from a PC. And now you have to restore important files and infected files. So now you have to click on Windows, startup, and click CMD, run as admin. Now I have given some CMD codes in my description. Just copy paste or type here SFC. Click on enter. I am not going to do this because I have already done it. So click enter and automatically process will start, and after completion you will see a message like successfully completed, and then enter second command which is given in description. Just enter this DSM online clean image restore help. After that, just wait, it will take some moment and your files will be restored in your PC, and then just restart your PC. You will finish. You have already uninstalled all the malware and virus and infected files from our PC. And plus bonus tip, after restarting, you have to check for updates. Just go to setting, update security, and check for updates right here. Just wait a second. Like this, you have to click on retry and whatever you are seeing. And you can also visit like a Windows security. You will see difference like this. Virus threats option are now available right here, and my Windows security is opening, working fine. Your PC is now uninfected. Thanks for watching.